service. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of Charleston and Berkeley counties. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms along the line extending from near UG to near Crowfield Plantation and moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: strong winds 45 to 55 miles an hour, up to penny-sized hail and excessive cloud-to-ground lightning. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect minor damage to tree limbs and blowing around of light, unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to plants, trees, and crops. The special marine warning is canceled. The affected areas were Charleston Harbor. The thunderstorms have moved out of the warned area and no longer pose a significant threat to boaters. A special marine warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the following areas, coastal waters from South Santee River to Edisto Beach, South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles at 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Canceled.